Welcome to Build Control, your complete construction management app designed to simplify and organize every aspect of your projects. Let's take a quick tour of the powerful modules that make managing construction seamless and efficient. First, we will see Project Management Modules. Daily Worksheet. In Daily Worksheet, you can capture daily work updates with photographs directly from the site. In Equipment Usage, you can manage daily usage of equipments at site with their working hours and fuel consumption. With Task Module, you can assign, track, and monitor tasks for your team. With Issue and Snag feature, you can record issues and assign to your team members instantly for quick resolutions. Inspection Request Module is useful for schedule and track work inspections right from the app. With help of Issue and Snag and Inspection Request Module, you can deliver high quality of work. With help of Progress Report, you can easily check how your project is moving forward with daily updates. In Manage Materials, you can find Inventory Management Modules. Central Store feature is useful to manage your godown and store management. With Current Inventory, you can always know what's in stock and where it is used. With Purchase Request, your site team can raise material indent. In Purchase Order Module, you can create professional purchase order. With Use of Material Received, you can track received material GRN accurately. Material Transfer is useful to track material movements between two projects. With Payments Module, you can track all payments in and out easily. With Petty Cash, you can track every penny used by your team members in real time with on-hand cash availability. In Reports Module, you can find various reports for better decision-making of the project. You can also download all the reports into PDF and Excel. In Attendance Module, you can manage individual labor attendance and vendor attendance. For CRM management, we have Inquiry and Booking Module. With Inquiry, you can manage inquiries in one place. In Booking, you can see the booking form of buyers and booking chart with real-time booking status. In Dashboard, you can get a real-time overview of your entire project. Track pending approvals, payments, inventory, and progress at a glance. Powerful insights help you save time, money, and resources. For document management, we have project drawings and testing reports. You can store drawings and testing reports folder-wise and share that with your team in real time. With help of CreateWing, you can create locations of your project and track work accordingly. As you just experienced, Build Control truly is the one-stop solution for every construction need. Available on Android, iOS, and web. Start simplifying your construction projects today with Build Control.